Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Those who are new on my channel, my name is Shikha. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to do a double cut crease eyeshadow using green shade. So let's start by priming the eyes using O2O eye primer in the shade Nude. To apply the product, I'm going to use Sigma Concealer F75 brush. Apply the primer evenly on your eyelid using a brush or even your clean finger. Pat your eyelid using a brush to make it more even. For this look, I'm going to use Spotlight palette from You Can Be brand and my first transition shade is Pastel Pink. To blend my eyeshadow, I'm going to use Pro Art blending brush and the number is PE22. Blend the product back and forth to get the desired result. So for the next shade, I'm going to mix these two shades to achieve a soft toned red. I'm here using Sigma Small Tapered Blending Brush E45. Now I'm going to define my crease line using this dark brown shade. To do this, I'm going to use Vega Eyeliner brush. Now I'm going to diffuse the edges using the same Sigma blending brush. To remove the excess product on my eyelid, I'm here using L'Oreal Micellar Water. To cut the crease, I'm going to use Maybelline Master Camo in the shade Light and the brush which I have used in this video is Vega Concealer brush. From the same palette, I'm going to use dark green shade and going to apply it on the outer V of my eyes. I'm using small shader brush from the brand Ariya. Using the same brush, I'm going to apply this light green shade on the center of my eyelid. Now for the remaining part on my eyelid, I'm going to use this yellow shade. For the eyeliner, I'm going to use Pat Gel Eyeliner in the shade Black and for the eyeliner brush, I'm going to use Sigma E10 Eyeliner brush. To make it more blended, I'm going to use Sigma Small Angle E65 brush. For Kajal, I'm going to use Blue Heaven Kajal in the shade Black. I'm here going to apply the Kajal on my waterline and also going to tagline my eyes. To smudge my lower lash line, I'm going to use black eyeshadow. To make it more smoky, I'm going to use dark green shade. To do this, I'm going to use Crown Mini Tapered blending brush. Using the same brush, I'm going to add a tint of yellow on my lower lash line. Now to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to use Maybelline Metallic Chrome in the shade Molten Gold. To apply the highlighter, I'm using Crown Flat eyeliner brush. For mascara, I'm using Blue Heaven Long Lash Black Mascara. To make it more glam, I'm using Hilary Rhoda glitter liner in the shade Silver. Now I'm going to extend my eyeliner from the inner corner. That's it for today's video, guys. I really like how this look turned out. It looks perfect on any skin tone, and you could also wear this look on your mehendi function or any other party as well. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.